We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go that extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to satisfaction. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.